Hey, what's happening, you all guys? This is Rana here again. Welcome back to Rana WP Lab. In this video, we are going to talk about a new product called Becca WordPress team that just launched a few days ago on the innovative market. Becca helps you to create your stunning new SaaS or ID company website. A team that understands the modern tech. Becca comes packed with a selections of carefully designed layouts, ideal for every software company, software development, NFT, and crypto business, as well as options and features for creating app landing page, SaaS landing page, tag, and ID presentation. What you get when purchasing a Becca. So here I'm on the team first. We'll leave the link to this page under the video descriptions, and I'm going to click on the live preview button. This is the Becca demo site that has beautiful and unique design that will be best suited for your online web presence. Becca comes with necessary features for your online presence. It has 100% responsive design and tested on all the major handheld devices. Becca can be great choice for your online presence. Looking for release your company website, this theme is best choice. So if you click on one of the demo sites, it's going to open up in new tab so that you can take a closer look. This is the original Becca demo site. All right, I'm gonna go back to the landing page. As of now, we have over 8 demo sites. They all come included with Becca, and here you see the features from different demos can be combined. And what do we mean by that is that if you see a feature on one demo site that you would like to use on another demo site that doesn't contain the features, then that can be done, and that's because Becca comes with a comprehensive options panel that allows you to customize every section of your site. So let's take a look. An example, I have opened the Becca original demo site. Let's say that I really like the layout of this site. What you'll get powerful features when you install this theme in your WordPress website dashboard. Here are some of the main benefits and features of this template. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos like this of other tool that I explain about tools and how they really work before you buy the tool. So if you wanna be notified about upcoming videos, you can subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question or comments, you can leave them in the comment sections. Thank you for watching.